Next speaker is Urvashi Pradhan, PhD scholar at A3.
I would get irritated by buzzing of bees coming to visit mandarin orange flowers. So many bees and so many different kinds. Recalls Pratap Baje, a farmer in his 80s in this village of Jum in Sikkim. Pointing at a tree, he said, in 1974, I harvested more than 5,000 fruits from this tree, but now even a mature tree does not give more than 1,500. If there were bees like earlier, farmers would have earned better. Mandarin orange is one of the major cash crop of Sikkim, and more than 12,000 farming families depend on it. And Mandarin orange depends on pollinators like bees. I spent 4 years in Sikkim observing pollinators coming to visit Mandarin orange flowers, and I found that Epicerana, or the common honeybee, is the dominant pollinator of Mandarin orange. But studies from Nepal had recorded 4 different species of honeybees coming to visit Mandarin orange flowers. As a young researcher, I was a little concerned that my result did not match until I conducted social interview with 81 farmers in 37 sites across the Mandarin orange belt of Sikkim. And I found that almost 70% of the farmers feel that the diversity and abundance of pollinators, or especially bees, have declined in Sikkim. They feel overuse of pesticide and lack of food resources are the major reason behind this. But pesticide is banned in Sikkim, which is now India's first organic state, and government data also shows that the forest cover has increased in Sikkim, but which ideally should have provided food for pollinators, but according to farmers, this is not enough. So to check the realities, I mapped the landscape over 25 years, and I found that primary forest, or the old forest, had decreased, and secondary forest, or the new forest, had increased. So what does this mean to bees? To understand this, I laid 90 plots 10 meter by 10 meter across orange belt of Sikkim, and I found that almost 80% of these plants are very poor source of pollen and nectar. Although the forest cover had increased, it looked like an empty forest as far as pollinator food was concerned. Bees are very important to Mandarin orange, so it becomes very important to understand what bees need. With my study, I hope to highlight the importance of landscape change and vegetation structure on bee decline. Hopefully, with information from this study, we will be able to improve socioeconomic welfare of Pratap Baje and many more like him who depend on Mandarin orange for livelihood. Thank you.